Welcome back to Finding Beauty with Kelly. I'm Kelly and I am back with another Get Ready With Me video. I have picked up some new things over the past month or so and I've been trying them out and I can't wait to tell you more about them. And as you watch this video, if you are interested in trying some of these products, they're all available in my online Avon store, which I'll have linked below. And a couple products that I'm going to show you I have been gifted from Avon as part of the Avon Creative Collective, and one of them is not available yet, but it's coming soon. So join me as I get ready this morning. So as I start my makeup, I always start with my eyes. It's just the way I've started and that's how I continue to do it. And I start off with the Cashmere eyeshadow primer, and it has peptides in it, so great skincare benefit, plus it makes your eyeshadow last all day. I mean, what more can you ask for? So let me go ahead and get this on. So I just kind of dot across my lids, and then I use my ring finger to tap it in and just create that base so that when I put my shadow on, it lasts all day. Because if you're going to take the time to do your makeup, you do want it to last. And today I'm using my favorite neutral palette. It's the FMG Glimmer Maven palette. And it is just a nice neutral palette. There are a couple shades that have a little bit of shimmer to them. It's not glitter, but it does have a slight shimmer. And then we have two different matte shades here. And so I use just a good eyeshadow brush. I take the top shade, which is this light, kind of a peachy neutral, peachy brown, and I just windshield wiper over my lids. And I do that with both lash lids. Cover the entire lid. So I've got my base shadow on. And then you can use a shadow brush, but I use my fingers a lot for my makeup. And I take the darker shade, the darkest one in here, and I just go inside on my crease for a little bit of definition in there. Do the same thing on the other eye. And then just kind of smooth it out a little bit. I like the way that looks. And then my next step is my eyeliner. And Avon has some fantastic eyeliners. I love the FMG Glimmer eyeliners. They have the diamond, they have the cream eyeliners. So these are a great one. I am using the diamond eyeliner in brown sugar today. And so they have the twist up so you don't have to worry about sharpening it, which I love because I don't like getting pencil shavings everywhere. So just lightly go across my lash line. Then repeat on the other eye. So, okay, eyeliner is done. And then final step is mascara, and I have the FMG Glimmer Extreme Volume, which is a great eye mascara. It's one of the first ones I tried when I first became an Avon representative back in October of 2023, Avon ambassador. Avon representatives are now being renamed as Avon ambassadors because we are sharing the information, we are sharing the beauty, and we are sharing the products. So we are all about creating an environment of sharing and education and being ambassadors for Avon. So I love that name change. And so then the FMG Glimmer Extreme Volume Mascara. It is just a great everyday mascara. There's no real graceful way to put on mascara. So I do apologize for the funny faces and all the odd looks as I apply mascara, because there's just no really good way to do that. So now I have my eye makeup done, and I did put on some eye cream underneath my eyes today because I could see some dark circles. My favorite daytime eye cream is the new vitamin C under eye cream because So after I finished my eye makeup, I did a little bit of cleanup underneath my eyes where I got a little makeup down there, and I've been using the rice water cleansing water with a cotton ball as like my makeup remover, and I use this to remove any excess eye makeup as I apply. And then I did decide I wanted to add a little bit of concealer because even though I did use my under eye cream, I still wanted a little bit more brightening underneath my eye. And so I did dot dot. I put 3 dots underneath, and then I just used my ring finger to tap it in because, as you know, the under eye skin is the most delicate skin on your face, and your ring finger is going to put the least amount of pressure there. So you don't want to tug or do anything with that. And the concealer I use is the FMG Cashmere Concealer, and it goes on smoothly and just gives a nice even palette. Evens it out, covers those dark circles, and I do have a slight blemish on my chin, or not necessarily a blemish, but a slight burn mark because I was eating pizza rolls on Sunday and the cheese was really hot, or the sauce, and squirted out a little bit, and I had a slight burn from it. It's just about all better, but still covering up that little bit of redness that's still there. So, safety warning, if you're eating pizza rolls, let them cool all the way before you eat them. So, learn from my mistake. Don't make the same one that I did. And so, the newest product that I've picked up, and this is one that I was a little skeptical because I am not a foundation girly. I have never liked the feeling of makeup on my face, and like foundation is never good. I've tried tinted moisturizers, BB creams, CC creams, all of them. I've never liked the way they feel because they've always felt heavy on my skin. I have finally found my favorite face product because I can't feel it at all. It is the FMG Match Airbrush Primer. You can use it 4 ways. You can use it solo, which is what I do because, like I said, I am not a foundation person. I don't like the feeling of a lot of stuff on my face. I never have. I'm in my 40s, and for like the 20 some odd years I've been wearing makeup, I've really never liked the feeling of stuff on my face. But this has changed. Like this, I don't feel it, so I love it. You can wear it as a tinted base, so you can put it on all over your skin. Then if you do like foundation, you can apply your foundation over it. You can mix it with your foundation to just get that luminous lit from within glow, or you can use it to highlight and bring out your face and just bring that natural glow, or make it look like a natural glow to your skin. So when I first started using this, I just used my fingers for blending, but I have decided that I actually like using a foundation brush. And this is one that I picked up years ago, and since it's in good shape, it works, it's clean, I have not replaced it. And there are some great foundation brushes from Avon that I will link below, so that if you want to try this primer and use a brush for application instead of your fingers, you absolutely can. Though fingers do work. I'm not gonna lie, they work, but I've decided that through trying this with a brush, I do like the brush application a little bit better. And so you can already tell a difference because I've done my forehead, so you can see a little bit of luminosity, and definitely along my cheekbone here, you can see where there's a little bit of sheer luminous coming through compared to this side that I've not hit yet. So this has just been a great product, and it basically airbrushes your skin. So it blends away any imperfections that you want to hide, conceal, don't want to broadcast to the world, which, if we're being honest, we always want to put our best face forward. We always want to make a good impression. And so just do this, just gently blend it in, and it is completely sheer and weightless, but it just gives a nice almost veil effect, and it's like that lit from within glow. So I love this because even if I don't get enough sleep or I haven't been taking care of my skin as well as I should, it still looks healthy and fresh every day and using this product. And like I said, I don't feel anything at all. It is completely weightless. So if you are looking for something that is weightless, that is just going to even things out and give you a nice, healthy glow, this is the product to try. and it just came out last week on September 11th in campaign 19. So this is a brand new product. It comes in 4 shades. So I've got the little brochure here, and you can see 4 shades. And I am using the light medium. And with those 4 shades, you will definitely be able to find one that will work for you if you want to try it out. So the last phase of my getting ready with my makeup, at least, is my lips and cheeks. And I have just been gifted the new Beyond Glow lip serins that are coming out in campaign 21. So that's about 3 weeks away. There are 3 formulas, and there is the deeply nourishing one, so intensive nourishing lip care. There's a plumping one, and then there's a tinted one. So not only are these lip products, they're also skincare because they have so many good benefits. One of the key ingredients in all of them is glycerin. So Lipserin with glycerin. And to use it, you just turn it a little bit and you can see it just comes out the top. And I just smooth it on. Again, I use my fingers for a lot because they're handy. I always have them with me. And it's one less thing to either wash if I use a brush or throw away if I have to use a Q-tip. And so even just this, it gives a nice glistening glow. And you can see it was completely clear. And this stays on. I can put this on at night and it is still on in the morning. So this is something that is great if you want something hydrating overnight. I like putting it on under my makeup, under my lipstick, because it keeps my lips hydrated. And I like wearing it alone because, as you can see, a nice shiny lip. And it's nourishing, hydrating. And this is great if you are somebody that talks during the day a lot, or you work in an environment that has air conditioning that dries it out. And as we're moving into fall and winter with the heat coming on, and we know heat is drying, this is going to be something I will keep with me all the time during the day to touch up my lips, keep them hydrated. Definitely as soon as this drops, I will put it on my channel so you can pick it up yourself. And then the lipstick I'm using today is my Terra Nova matte lipstick, but with this little shimmer, it becomes a satin, which is a fantastic neutral, and it's a way to have one shade and wear it 2 ways. Because I do love this as a matte, but paired with this, it is a great little combo. And then last but not least, need to get the cheeks in. And I have been using the Icy Petal in the FMG Be Blushed cream. I love these. I first got the Blushing Nude, which has been my go-to. And then as part of a gift with purchase, I received this Icy Petal. And I was so surprised by how much I liked it, because looking at it, it looks like shimmery bubblegum. Like swatching this, I would not have picked this. Like I ignored this one for quite a while and just went with my basic neutral. I am so glad I got this one in that gift with purchase because it has become my go-to. It is just a very natural pink. And so now I have my makeup done, and you can see it really doesn't take a lot to look pulled together. You don't have to use a lot of product to have a complete look. And I hope you have enjoyed this, and I'll be So I did take a minute to finish up with my hair and just straightening iron. Didn't think everybody really needed to see that process. But I hope you've enjoyed this look at some of the new products I'm using. And again, I know it sounds like I'm pushing this, but I've been so surprised and so impressed by this Match Airbrush Primer that I love it. And I just want to share that with you because when I find something I love or really like that works, I want to share it because everybody wants to make their life better, easier, more simple, or more beautiful. And so that's what finding beauty is all about. It's about creating that life you want, about finding beauty in simple things, or just using something to make you feel more beautiful and more confident so that you can go out and tackle your day and be confident in what you're doing. And sometimes maybe it's just a little bit of lipstick that can give you that little oomph for the day when you're feeling a little blah or just not really there. But the power of a lipstick, you're going to want to smile more, and then you're going to feel more confident and happy and energized. At least I know I do. And so again, taking care of yourself, taking care of your skin, these are ways that you can feel more beautiful, and then that can translate into more energy, more drive, more motivation in other aspects of your life. And I appreciate you joining me today. And I know you may have caught that I said that the tinted primer just came out last week, but I've been using it for a few weeks. As an Avon ambassador, we get access to products before they are launched. And so we get to test and demo them. And that is a great perk of being an Avon ambassador, as well as discounts on products and learning more, because I learned more about taking care of my skin and how to use some products since I joined Avon. And if you are interested in joining my team, I have a link below if you want to find out more information. And I appreciate you joining me today as I have gotten ready and shared some of my favorite makeup that I've been using, plus some new favorites. I know that I will definitely be purchasing this once I run out of the one that the Avon Creative Collective gifted me. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I hope you'll continue to join me as we create and find beauty together.